Peter's carpentry business is running at full speed. Regarding the number of orders, short-term change requests from customers are the daily order, which often ends up in an organizational confusion that affects the whole operation. EMOS has the perfect solution for this problem too. iXShare Scout. iXShare Scout provides every colleague with an overview of all current orders, the corresponding components, and all assembly information. Using a simple interface, Peter can take into account change requests from his customers and make them available to all colleagues in real time via cloud. Tina from the production department is happy about error-free data, and installer Mario also benefits from the short communication channels. Because even in the unlikely event that something is missing, he can use the chat function to request the required part in no time at all. Thanks to iXShare Scout, Peter's carpentry shop works more effectively, can handle change requests in no time, and react quickly to unforeseen events.